Hello viewers, I'm Paul White and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. Currently at Central Station, I'm going to give a tour of set W3. In front of the camera we have C3708, which was entered service in the 1950s. Two double-deck trailer cars are T4814 in a blue and white PTC livery from the 1970s. T4801. However, the metallic trailers were introduced in 1964, and other than just in the other down the end is C3702. Anyway, viewers, if you haven't yet subscribed to Paul's Train Vlogs, please hit the subscribe tab at the bottom of the screen, and also don't forget to please ring the notification bell icon to receive notifications about my current and future releases. And thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. Give you guys the exterior.
Oh yes, sleep with the sheep. Yes, folks.
One of our dogs with open windows.
Yeah. Because you go to the door and the door's open and all the train pulls in.
Yes, it does have space.
Does it jump?
Use of competition.
Alright, and I'll go down. I'll make you go down.
So it's just Indian bread.
Walk downstairs.
We get one more, don't we? We get one more? We're down the bottom level this time.
I have not seen these types of windows in a little over 20 years. You need both hands to pull these up and down. And do not try to put your hands out of the window just like that. Anyway, I could have a height, at least I have a height to put the camera up there. I'll head upstairs.
Are you Phil from Sydney Trains?
Yes, I am. What easy train has been.
These beautiful seats here.
This transport heritage expo, however, due to some more testing required.
Just like that. I'll put it back. Oh. These seats are a lot comfortable than the Warriors. We'll move the next car down. Here first I'll show you guys this Sydney system map for 1985. There's a lot of change over the past 4 decades. So I'll show you points of few important issues close to home. The Ropes Creek branch from St Mary's to Ropes Creek was closed down in 1986. So this is 40 years before the Sydney Metro West Sydney Airport will connect from St Mary's all the way down to Badgerys Creek. And the Carver line from Carver and Camellia is still there, but in the form of the upcoming Parramatta Light Rail network. And the Pittata branch is now part of the now absorbed into Sydney Olympic Park line. Right from West Coast branch no longer exists, and a rail link was constructed in the late 1980s from East Hills all the way to Glenfield, and the Bankstown line between Bankstown and Sydenham has recently closed down to make way for Sydney Metro, and the Royal National Park branch has closed down in 1991. And the rail link between Epping and Chatswood on this map is non-existent at the time, as well as a connection from Epping or out near, roughly about here, is also non-existent. Just inside the lower deck of T4801. Anyway, first we're going to walk into car C3702. Of course, this power car led the official train to open the electrification from Liverpool to Campbelltown in 1968.
呢架車車1點鐘喐啦，我哋睇兩睇埋。
Anyway, viewers, I'm going to wrap up the video. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. Don't forget to give the video the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and favourite the video. And I will see you next time. Until we meet again, it's goodbye for now.